What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Blender Ring. So in this video we're gonna see how to create a liquid grass which flows on the rock. So as you can see, I have a rock on my viewport which I downloaded from internet for free, and then I'm gonna add a UV sphere and move this UV sphere just above our rock. And then after you move that, you're gonna go to particles and add a new particle effect, and if you play you get this thing. And yeah, after that you're gonna go under to physics properties and change the physics type from Newtonian to fluid. So once you've done that, we get all the steps. So you can experiment with all this, but for this particular thing, this values works the best. So for stiffness I went for 1.1 and viscosity 8. Buoyancy I think I went for 0.01, and for the drag 0.4, and for the damp I think I went for around 0.2, so I'm gonna go for 0.17, and that's it for this. And now if you play, you get this kind of effect, so it's kind of slow, but as you can see, our particles are dying way too early. So to avoid that, we're just gonna increase the lifetime of the particles from 50 frames to 150 frames. So now if you play, it's just gonna go down. If you look carefully, our particles is going through our rock object, so we don't want that. So to avoid that, we're just gonna select our rock and then go to physics property and add a collision property to this rock. So once you added collision, you're going to set this damping to 0, and under soft body and cloth we're going to set the damping to all the way 1. So now when you play, obviously it's gonna lags, so don't worry about that. So as you can see, our particles is not going through our rock, it's kind of bouncing around and flowing like a water. So that's what we want. And yeah, once you achieve this, if you notice carefully, we have less particles. So to increase the particles, you're going to select our UV sphere and go to particles and set the number of particles to around 5000. If you have a crazy PC, you can set the particles number to around 15k or 16k. If you have a really powerful PC, for my case 5000 works good, and for your case also, if you have a mediocre PC, 5000 6000 will work great. So now as you can see, we have our particles and we have our collision body, and only thing left is that to change this particles, that is balls, to a grass. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, as you can see, once again it's kind of bouncing around and it's gonna flow down like water. Once we achieve that, you just have to download this grass asset from internet. I've used BlenderKit add-on, so you just download this add-on and type grass, you'll get all of these grass particles. So I've used, I think, this one. So yeah, this is the grass particles, and move this to a entirely different collection. So to move this, select whatever objects you want, press M on your keyboard so that you get this pop-up, and press on new collection and you create a new collection. So now once you created a new collection, we're going to select our UV sphere and go under render. So as default it will be like render as halo, so you're gonna change that to collection. So now then we're gonna set the instance collection to collection show. So in your case it's gonna be whatever collection name you have set for this particular thing. So in my case this is collection 2, so I've set it to collection 2. And then if I play, our grass is gonna fall down. So as you can see, the grass is going to fall down. And if you think it's kind of empty, you can just scale this up. So as you can see, this thing is varying. So if I scale these grass over here, these grass over here, these grass are affected. So if I scale this up, you can see. So yeah, you just have to find the appropriate amount of scale for your case. So yeah, once you've done that, the grass is going to fall down and behave as particles did before, and it's going to create the illusion of liquid grass. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. After you do some lightings and compositing stuff, your final render will be ready. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you love this, please give it a sub. And thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.